Badibene kwihholo yoluntu yaseDiepkloof namhlanje abafudula bengabongikazi kunye nabanye abasebenzi bezempilo ukubhiyozela usuku lwabongikazi. Usuku lwamazwe ngamazwe labongikazi lubhiyozelwa minyaka le ngomhla we-12 kuCanzibe ukuqaphela nokuhlonipha igalelo elikhoyo labongikazi eluntwini. Unobhala jikelele wombutho wabasebenzi bezempilo iHaitu uLerato Mthunzi uqaqambisa imicelimingeni yemihla ngemihla abongikazi abajongana nayo kuquka ukunqongophala kwabasebenzi ebongoza urhulumente ukuba ayihoye le miba.
Njengoba izwe lihlanganyela nomphakathi womhlaba wonke kade kugujwa usuku lwamazwe ngamazwe labahlengikazi ngomsombuluko mhla ziyi-12 kuNhlaba, abahlengikazi kuzokhumbuleka bawumgogodla wanoma yiluphi uhlelo lwezempilo. Kanti osukwini lanamhlanje abahlengikazi abasasebenza nabathatha umhlalaphansi bahlanganyele ehholo lomphakathi laseDiepkloof ukuzobhunga ngeyingqinamba nokukhumbuzisana ngokubaluleka kokuba umhlengikazi. Kanti Lerato Mathenjwa ongomunye wabahlengikazi obesebalula iy'ngqinamba ababhekana nazo njengabahlengikazi.
The biggest three most important challenges that nurses are facing today, it's shortage of human resources. The very nurses at the shop floor are not there. It's not enough. The second thing is the material resources. There's not enough medicines. There's not enough equipment to even diagnose the very conditions that we need to be diagnosing the people we serve. So that's a serious challenge. The last one is dilapidated infrastructure. We are definitely in a country, all provinces, where we really are struggling to make sure that our hospitals are respectful to the people we treat. In fact, our people come into the hospitals and they live with more conditions that are acquired in the hospital due to infections.
Babe sebevuselela okanye sebekhumbuzisana nangezifungo abazenza njengabahlengikazi besaqala ukungena kumkhakha wobuhlengikazi.
This is the pledge that we as nurses, all the nurses worldwide, take, because it is an oath that we say we are going to carry out our profession in accordance with this pledge. It says, I solemnly pledge to be of service to human beings. I pledge to serve humanity with respect, dignity, and compassion. This is what this pledge says. Each and every nurse, upon graduating, we say this pledge.
Basi bayafisa uhulumeni angenelele kuzo zonke izikhalazo abanazo njengabahlengikazi. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV nginguNobuhle wakwaNdlovu ngibika ngiseDiepkloof.